Looking to tackle yard work or occasional tree trimming? In this guide, we'll help you find the best chainsaw for homeowners. Whether you're cutting firewood or clearing branches, having a reliable, easy-to-use chainsaw makes all the difference. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Worx WG323 20V. The Worx WG323 20V chainsaw is an outstanding choice for homeowners looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use tool that delivers reliable performance. One of its standout features is the 12-foot extra reach when combined with the extendable pole attachment. This feature makes it ideal for trimming higher branches safely from the ground. The chainsaw itself weighs only 10 pounds, making it exceptionally easy to handle during extended use, reducing fatigue in the arms, back, and shoulders. The cordless 20V power share system offers clean, hassle-free operation without the noise and maintenance associated with gas chainsaws. With no cords to tangle or limit your movement, tackling yard tasks becomes much simpler. A major benefit of the Worx WG323 is its automatic, tool-free chain tensioning system, which ensures optimal performance by keeping the chain at the right tension throughout your cutting job. The automatic chain lubrication feature is another valuable addition, keeping the chain running smoothly and extending its life. An oil level indicator makes it easy to monitor oil status during use. While the saw requires chain oil to operate and it's sold separately, the overall convenience and efficiency of the unit more than make up for this minor inconvenience. Its compatibility with over 75 other Worx PowerShare tools is a great bonus for anyone already invested in the brand's ecosystem. Number 2. EGOPower 56V. The EGOPower 56V chainsaw stands out for homeowners seeking gas-like performance without the hassles of fuel mixing, pull starts, and high maintenance. This battery-powered chainsaw features a high-efficiency brushless motor, delivering power equivalent to a 40cc gas model, with impressive chain speeds of up to 20 meters per second. It comes with a 16-inch bar and chain setup, making it capable of handling everything from thick hardwood branches to softwood limbs and general yard maintenance. One of its most appealing features is its battery runtime, providing up to 220 cuts on a single charge when equipped with a 4.0 AH battery. This makes it especially convenient for homeowners with larger yards or multiple trees. The tool-free chain tensioning system is a user-friendly feature that simplifies maintenance, allowing adjustments via a simple dial without dismantling any parts. Additionally, the EGOPower 56V is IPX4 rated for weather resistance, which means it can handle occasional light rain or damp conditions without issues, a handy feature for outdoor tools. The brushless motor ensures quieter operation compared to traditional gas chainsaws, which neighbors will surely appreciate. Its low-profile design also enables flush cutting close to the ground, a capability not all cordless chainsaws offer. With no gas, fumes, or complicated startup procedures, it's as easy as pushing a button and getting to work. This chainsaw is also compatible with the entire EGO 56V ARC lithium battery platform, adding versatility for users who own other EGO tools. Number 3. Oregon CS1500. The Oregon CS1500 is a well-regarded electric chainsaw that appeals to homeowners who prefer plug-in models for consistent, unlimited power. Its 15-amp motor provides strong cutting performance, making it suitable for various tasks such as pruning, cutting firewood, or removing storm-damaged limbs. What sets the CS1500 apart from its integrated PowerSharp self-sharpening system, a rare feature that allows you to sharpen the chain on the saw in as little as 3 to 5 seconds. This minimizes downtime and eliminates the need to remove the chain for sharpening, a significant convenience for casual and frequent users alike. The 18-inch guide bar is one of the longest available for homeowner chainsaws in its category, enabling it to handle larger branches and thicker logs. The CS1500 is equipped with a tool-free chain tensioning system, making adjustments quick and easy without the need for additional tools. An automatic oiling system continuously lubricates the chain and bar, reducing friction and prolonging the tool's life. An oil level indicator makes it easy to monitor oil status during use. While the saw requires chain oil to operate and it's sold separately, the overall convenience and efficiency of the unit more than make up for this minor inconvenience. Its compatibility with over 75 other Worx PowerShare tools is a great bonus for anyone already invested in the brand's ecosystem. Capable of fast, clean cuts, this chainsaw holds its own against competitors in its class. For homeowners who need a reliable, easy-to-use, and efficient chainsaw for yard work, occasional pruning, or storm cleanup, the Oregon CS1500 is an excellent, budget-friendly option for homeowners who want reliable, low-maintenance power with unique self-sharpening convenience.
Number 4. SKIL PWR40V. The SKIL PWR40V chainsaw is a robust and efficient cordless chainsaw designed for homeowners seeking professional-grade performance without the burdens of a gas engine. It includes a PWR Core 40 2.5 AH lithium battery and an auto PWR jump charger, providing reliable power with fast recharging. Notably, the SKIL PWR40V boasts faster cutting speeds than other 40V competitors, making it ideal for tough branches, stumps, and firewood. Its digital brushless motor offers efficient, consistent power while minimizing maintenance needs. A standout feature is the PWR Core 40 battery technology, which wraps each cell in cooling material, extending battery runtime at 25% and doubling battery life compared to standard lithium-ion models. This means homeowners can work longer on a single charge and enjoy a longer-lasting battery over the tool's lifespan. The chainsaw includes two-list chain tensioning for quick adjustments on the go and an automatic lubrication system that keeps the chain running smoothly with reduced friction. Another highlight is the rapid charging capability, charging the battery from 0% to 30% in just 15 minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable for prolonged use, reducing strain on hands and arms. With no gas, pull cords, or exhaust fumes, it offers clean, easy operation at the push of a button. Number 5. Greenworks ADV. The Greenworks ADV chainsaw is a high-performance, professional-grade cordless nozzle that's perfect for homeowners with demanding yard work needs. It features an 18-inch chain and bar, offering the cutting capacity necessary for large branches, fallen trees, and thick firewood. Powered by advanced brushless motor technology, the Greenworks ADV delivers twice the torque of standard models, ensuring powerful, efficient cuts with every use. This motor also contributes to a longer runtime, quieter operation, and extended tool life. The automatic oiler keeps the chain well lubricated for smooth operation and reduced wear, while the easy adjust chain tensioning system simplifies maintenance, ensuring optimal cutting performance without extra tools. With up to 850 cuts on 4x4 lumber per charge, this chainsaw rivals 42cc gas-powered models, but without the associated noise, fumes, or maintenance headaches. The push-button start eliminates the frustration of pull cords, offering instant, reliable power. There's no need to deal with spark plugs, carburetors, or fuel mixing. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.